In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Brother HL-2460DW printer with the Windows laptop. So we are going to connect this printer with the home or office Wi-Fi network. We will add it in our Windows laptop for wireless printing. Switch on the printer and then go to your laptop screen. Open the web browser. Type in Brother HL-L2460DW driver. It will take you to the Brother website. It automatically shows operating system is a Windows 11. So it will automatically select it. Press OK. And it will display the recommended software. Here is the full driver software package. Click on it. Scroll down, agree and download. Open file. Confirm. A download window will show up, and here we have to continue our setup process. Select your language and click next. Accept license agreement and click next. Select the option wireless network. So selecting first option, click next. Make sure your laptop is connected to the home Wi-Fi network. Yes, I want to connect machine to the Wi-Fi network. Click next. Next step is to go to the printer's display panel. Here we can see the Wi-Fi button. Press and hold it for 2 seconds. Now release it once you see check PC or device that is displaying here. Also the wireless light is flashing. Automatically it will continue the setup. You can see our printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Select your printer and click next. Select the standard recommended installation and click next. You can select default setting if you want to print on one side or print on both sides, and click on the next. Software installation is complete and our printer is ready to use. Click on the finish. You can close all the windows. So it will download the Brother iPrint and Scan app automatically. It will display that here. So click yes for the app. Agree with the terms and conditions and press OK. So we successfully installed our printer. Let's do a print test. Click on the selected machine. Automatically it will display your new Brother printers. Click on it and press OK. So it will update in the app. Press OK. That is our printer. So let's do a print. So click on the print icon. Select a photo or a document. Let's click on the next. In this screen you can select and you can just increase the number of copies. Once you are ready, you can just do two-sided or one-sided printing and click on the print icon. So that's the way we can do the setup of the printer using a Windows laptop, and then we can start using it for the wireless printing using your home or office Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.